Hello students of class 6th. Good afternoon. How are you? I hope you will be fine. My dear students, today we will discuss about chapter 2nd, The Friendly Mongoose. Revision work. Summary in English. I hope you will listen carefully. A farmer, his wife, and their small son lived in a village. They needed a pet to be their dear son's companions. Companion means साथी के लिए. When one evening the farmer brought a tiny mongoose. Mongoose means nevela. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. The mongoose had grown to its full size in only 6 months. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle. The mongoose had become friendly to the small baby. One day, the farmer's wife rocked the baby to sleep into his little cradle, leaving him to her husband. Here, she went to the market. She told her husband frankly that she could not believe the child alone with the mongoose. उसने कहा कि मुझे जो है अकेले जो है मंगूस पर अपने बच्चों को छोड़ने के लिए बिल्कुल विश्वास नहीं है. द फार्मर ट्रस्टेड द मंगूस. लेकिन किसान जो है मंगूस पर विश्वास करता था. He also went to look at his fields. He was held there for a long time, right? The farmer's wife finished the shopping. She returned home with a basket full of groceries. Means आपका जो घर का सामान होता है, परचून का सामान वगैरह. The mongoose was waiting for her outside. He saw the farmer's wife and ran to welcome her. She saw that the face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. उसने देखा कि नेवला का चेहरा और पंजे जो है स्मर्ड होता है सने हुए कि खून से सने हुए हैं. She thought that the mongoose had killed her son. She hit the mongoose hard on the head with her basket full of groceries. उसने जो है सामान से घर के सामान से जो भरी हुई टोकरी जो तो वह जो है नेवले पर दे मारी. राइट. द फार्मर्स वाइफ वेंट इनसाइड. हर बेबी वाज स्टिल फास्ट asleep. उसका बेटा जो है बच्चा जो वह गहरी नींद में सोया हुआ था. ए ब्लैक स्नेक वाज लाइंग डेड ऑन द फ्लोर. राइट. शी रियलाइज्ड हर folly, but it was too late. The mongoose had died already. She repented and stared, sobbing in vain. लेकिन उसकी शुभ क्या जो थी, सोबिंग में सुबकना जो है वह सब जो है वेन चले गए थे, व्यर्थ चले गए थे. राइट. Now we will discuss book exercise question answer. First question. Why did the farmer bring a baby mongoose in the house? Answer. The farmer had a small baby. He loved him very much. He thought it would be a companion to his sons in future. So he brought a baby mongoose into the house. Now, second question. Why didn't the farmer's wife want to leave the baby alone with the mongoose? Answer. She knew that the mongoose was a poisonous creature and she had feared that the mongoose could harm the baby, right? Therefore, she did not want to leave the baby alone with mongoose, right? And now, question number 3. What was the farmer's comment on his wife's fear? जो फार्मर का कमेंट क्या था उसकी पत्नी के डर के प्रति? द फार्मर कमेंटेड दैट नोट बी अफ्रेड. उसने कहा घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है, जो उसका कमेंट था. द मंगूज इज ए फ्रेंडली एनिमल. इट इज एज स्वीट एज अवर बेबी. एंड नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Right? Why did the farmer's wife strike the mongoose with her basket? Answer. The farmer's wife struck the mongoose with her basket because when she saw blood smeared mongoose, she thought that it killed her baby. उसने जो है सामान से भरी टोकरी जो उस पर जो है नेवले पर क्यों पटक दी? क्योंकि उसने सोचा कि इस नेवले ने जो है उसके बच्चे को मार दिया. राइट? एंड नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. डिड शी रिपेंट हर हैस्टी एक्शन? क्या उसे जो जल्दीबाजी में किया गया कार्य था उस पर उसे पछतावा हुआ? हाउ डज शी शो हर रिपेंटेंस? राइट? यस, शी रिपेंटेड हर हैस्टी एक्शन. शी टच्ड द डेड मंगूज एंड स्टार्टेड सोबिंग. उसने जो है उस डेड मंगूस को टच किया और जो है वह सुबकती चलेगी. राइट? इस प्रकार से जो आपका है सेकंड चैप्टर का रिवीजन भी कंप्लीट हो गया. राइट? आप जो इस वीडियो को केयरफुली लिसन करेंगे, सुनेंगे, आई होप यू विल लिसन इट केयरफुली. थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.